Hey, if you want to set monthly spending limit on your child account on the PS5 Slim, first of all you have to go into the right upper corner and open the settings. From here go into the family and the parental controls. Now go to the family management. Right now you have to wait for a few seconds. Next, select account of your child. Go into the parental controls. From here you have to scroll down and go into the monthly spending limit. So that's your currently currency. You can go from the unlimited to, for example, 800 Polish zloty, and then click confirm. Click OK, and as you can see, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.